AFRAAZ, it's Amanda, your reading buddy. Are you ready to read another story with me today? Okay, let's begin. This story is called Alex Likes Noise, written by Anne Hart. Alex lived in the city. He loved the city sounds. Horns beeped and buses roared. Doors slammed and tires squealed. People talked and children laughed. "We're moving to the farm," Dad said. Alex was sad. "I will miss the city. The country will be too quiet." Alex and Dad drove to the country. Alex stood outside. He listened. Frogs croaked and birds tweeted. Horses whinnied and cows mooed. Chickens clucked and ducks quacked. Alex smiled. "The country isn't quiet at all." Well, that was a quick story, wasn't it? Okay, shall we answer a few questions together? Let's see, what does the first question say? What did Alex hear in the city? Do you remember? I can remember a few things. He heard buses roar and tires squeal. Yeah, lots of sounds from the big city. And what did Alex hear in the country? Do you remember? Let's think. He heard cows moo, horses whinny, ducks quack too. That's right. And the third question is, where is Alex moving to? In the beginning, he was living in the city, and then him and his dad moved to the country. And the final question is, how does Alex feel about the city? Yeah, he likes the city, right? He loves the city and he loves all the noise. Well, that was a good story. Shall we read another one?